Now, this is how you can create coloring book pages on your iPad, and let's get started. So I'm going to show you one method which is relatively new because it is using AI, but it's really simple and it just works well, right? So obviously, before we get started, you can go ahead and download some kind of like coloring book pages from the App Store as an app, which is going to work well. It's going to have like a built-in tools to like color it and stuff. But if you just want to create a brand new one, what I would recommend you to do is to get the ChatGPT app from the App Store, which is really useful for obvious purposes. But of course, then you can start a brand new chat and upload your images right there. So let's say you just capture a photo of whatever, right? It might be a table, environment, whatever it might be, but you will upload that image into your ChatGPT chat, and the instructions you're going to give is to turn it into a coloring book, right? So this is likely going to take a while, quite a long time compared to other like quick responses from the chat. But after a while, after it can process everything and create the image, you will get a nice looking coloring page based on your input, right? So the photo will turn into a coloring book. You know, you'll have the outlines, it's going to be black and white, and it's just going to look nice. You can then just use it in many different apps. You can import it into your app where you take notes and use the Apple Pencil to just tweak it. And yeah, this is how it works. And this is what I would recommend you to try out. So let me know below in the comments if you have tried that before or what you think about it, if it worked out. So that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.